It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FRZT. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where this green line annotation is coming from. But after today's price action, definitely want to get some things updated here. The first update before anything else just comes from a foundational principle in charting, and that states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, 0.011 was a level of support, but now that the price is below it, you would expect it to act as resistance, and it did indeed act as resistance a few times. Price temporarily got up above it right there, but that didn't last very long, and the price rolled back over. So on any sort of bounce to the upside, 0.011 going to be that initial area of resistance. Now, from a presentation standpoint, the chart is a little bit tricky here. Why do I say it's tricky? Well, there's a lot of it depends that goes into it, meaning if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 13.72 seconds, then yeah, for you the chart's looking pretty rough. But if you care about the big picture of things, then yeah, I get it. There was a pretty big pullback today. Today being the key word. When you look at multiple days, as we're doing here, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And when you have higher bases being built over time, that's how long-term uptrends are built. And the easiest way to see this, right now at this moment in time is in regard to the purple line, which I've talked about in the past videos, the 50-period simple moving average. And as you can see here, the price was falling and falling and falling, and that's right where it closed today at the purple line. So this is not like some sort of secret discovery on my part. Anybody that uses charts is going to be wondering the same thing going into tomorrow. Can this purple line hold? Is the 50-period simple moving average going to hold strong, or the bear is going to be able to press down through it? As it stands right now, the bulls are still in full control because the price is still technically, at that level, and it hasn't broken down below it or anything like that. In the event the price does push through it, I do want to map out where the next potential area of support may be residing. And that area of support, I don't know what the value is, but let me get it right there at 0065. So 0065, next area of support in the event that the bears are able to push down through that purple line. But again, to circle back to the whole big picture things, I'm not saying this will happen, but let's just say the price actually goes down there, bounces around, and then heads back up. Even in that situation, what would you have from the grand scheme of things? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows right there. You'd have that set of lows down there. You picture each of those as stair steps, and the stair steps are still very clearly going in the upwards direction. Again, I fully realize if you're a day trader and you bought right there, or you bought right there, then you couldn't care less about these overall stair steps. But that's why I tried to qualify the statement that I am talking about this from a bigger picture point of view. So all in all, yeah, the price pulled back today, but that's 1 day. The bulls have an opportunity to build upon the long-term uptrend, so we'll see what they have in store. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.